When we were really little, like toddlers really, Mommy would always make us this bhaji rice, and she would make the bhaji and cook the rice, and then she would mix both of them together, and then she would make the bhaji rice into little balls. It was so much fun, a fun food, and we loved eating this. So this is kind of like my version of what Mommy used to make for us, bhaji rice, but going back to my little toddler days, I'm gonna try to make these into little balls and have fun eating it. So that's the rest of our rice right there. Hope that's gonna be enough. I think it's gonna be delicious though. We grew up eating a lot of meat, you know, chicken, duck, and goat, all those kinds of things. And I love eating meat, but I tell you what, this is one of my very favorite meatless meals. So I hope that my vegetarian friends will enjoy this. It smells so amazing. I'm gonna leave the link in the description box for you guys where I have a recipe, one of my recipes where I made bhaji. So you can use that as a reference, but feel free to use your own recipe and just mix it with your favorite rice. I'm using some jasmine rice that we had left over here. And it's perfect because it's soft, it's fragrant. Bhaji rice, guys. Time to chow down. And this is a good point after you mix your rice in to give it a taste. Make sure all your flavors are on point, and then check it first because you might not need to add anything at all. So let me give this a taste. Perfect. One of our great childhood memories, Mommy's bhaji rice balls. So yummy.